Make a great choice today with the 2025 3 Series. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.